This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix no SIM card problem on iPhone after iOS update. So after updating your iPhone iOS, if you're facing these, if your SIM card not supporting or you are getting no SIM card issue, follow this easy and step-by-step guide to solve it. The first solution is enable airplane mode for 30 seconds and then turn it back off and check the issue. The second solution is give a simple restart. Sometime restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So give a simple restart and check the issue. The third solution is eject the SIM card and then reinsert it and check the issue. The fourth solution is reset network settings. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset network settings. Once done, check the issue. The last solution is use a different SIM card. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.